What volcano means to me, it means beauty, heritage, culture. Volcano is my home. Hawaiian mythology, Pele is known to the people of the islands as the goddess of fire, lightning, dance, and volcanoes. Pele's home is believed to be within the fiery bowls of Halima'uma'u crater, situated at the summit caldera of the Kilauea volcano in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Nene are also known as Hawaiian geese, one of the park's most popular birds, as well as an endangered species. Volcano is not just a spot for tourists. It's also a good spot for locals to enjoy life in nature. Activities such as golfing can be found near the park, as well as great dining. Islanders believe that Pele's power and domain encompasses all volcanic activity of the Hawaii's Big Island. Every single occurrence of an eruption is therefore assumed to be the capricious goddess's expression of ire, or heartsick longing for her true love. The a'ali'i and pukia'awe berries are the two most common shrubs found in the park. The a'ali'i is believed to have been considered sacred to Laka, the Hawaiian goddess of hula. The juice from the pukia'awe berries was often used for dyes. Both of these shrubs are often seen woven into Hawaiian leis today. Kipuka Pua'ulu is my favorite trail in the park. Hiking through it, you'll be surrounded by delightful meadowland and abundant ancient forests. This area is a sanctuary for numerous birds that live on this specific island. I love where I live. I'm surrounded by nature and wonder. I learn about the culture through my hula and my experiences in the park. I get to meet new people and exchange stories. The national park provides me with the knowledge and resources. There's no place that I'd rather be other than home sweet home.